Welcome back. In this session, we'll be learning about the basic operators. So let's go ahead and clear this code here. So the code is clear. So basically in operators, you will find many things like logical operator, assignment operator, mathematical or arithmetic operator, or comparison operator. So initially we'll start one by one. Let's start with the mathematical operator. So basically we'll write the constant because math functions cannot be changed in future. So for example, let's write constant age of some person. We'll write Max for suppose. We'll write he is born in 2060 we'll think, and we'll subtract this from this. So suppose let's say 2019, and also we'll take one more example of Lohit who is born in same year. Let's think, and we'll put the age difference here like 1990. Okay, and here we'll call out the output console.log age Lohit, come on age. Here you can declare both of these in the same output line, so you can call it both of these in the same time. So when we run this, you will get a clarity. See here, we are getting the output here based on this age Lohit and age Max. We are getting in the same line. So first we have declared age Lohit, so we are getting 70 value of that mathematical operator, and next we are getting this age of Max of 41 for this mathematical operator. So this is called and mathematical function, and we can do more in this mathematical functions. For suppose let's say constant now equals to 2060. Okay, let's say now here instead of 2060, let's declare now. Here we'll declare now. Okay, let's go ahead and save. Let's reload. You'll get the same output. Instead of using the same numbers here, we have given the constant now as 2060. Instead of now 2060 can be written here, and in this way also we can write it here. For your better understanding, let's write one more example. So let's write console age Lohit, and we'll set this into 2. Okay, and also we'll set age Max to divide by 10, and we'll write this 2 to the power of 3. So I'll tell you in a bit. So let's go ahead and execute this. Yeah, we haven't did the log function here. So let's go ahead and yeah, here we have got the output. Initially age Lohit, initially we got 70, so we are doing 70 into 2, which is 140, and age Max here we got 41, which is divided by 10, so here we are getting 4.1. So what is this 2 to the power of 3? Basically this 2 to the power of 3 is this 2 multiplies 3 times, which is an exponential power, which value is equals to 8. So here we are getting the output of 8. So 2 exponential of 3, here we'll declare in this format. Okay, and so using the plus operator, we'll join the strings, and it is also known as to concatenate different strings. So I'll show you an example for that. So let's go ahead and write constant first name here. So we'll take an example Max. Okay, and also we'll take some constant last name for suppose ABC. Okay, and we'll console.log, and we'll declare this first name plus operator and last name here, and we'll save the file and see ABC plus max. But here we have given plus, and we haven't got any space between max and first name and last name ABC. So for that we'll write one more code, console.log first name plus, use this quotations and add a space between and use again plus operator. So again use the last name using this. See, here we have the space between max and ABC, which is first name and last name. So this is using the arithmetic operator for the string, not only for numbers. Okay. And this is the better way of concatenating string. Uh, and also there is one more way, which is called template string. So we are not going to use that for now. Let's focus on these operators only. So let's go ahead and do some examples in the test operator. Mostly test operator is straightforward because we use the test operator with this symbol called equals to. So let me give an example. Let x equals to 10 plus 5. Okay. And let's console dot log x. Okay. Here you are getting the value 15. Okay. Here basically we are using two operators, which is assignment operator equals to and plus operator math function. So what it does is it first declares the math function and then assigns this math function values to this x value, which is by assigning operator. So x equals to is the assign operator here. So let me go ahead and give you one more example. Let x equals to 10 plus 5, or okay, here we use x plus or equals to 10. Okay, so what do you think here the output is going to be? Can you guess? Okay. Ah, here we have already given let x, and we have calling out x. So multiple times we are calling. So let's just go ahead and remove this, and let's write for this example. Uh, let x 10 plus, and we'll reload it. Yes, here we are getting 25. So how we got 25 here? Initially our x value here is 15. 10 plus 5, our x value is 15. But how we are getting 25? Let's go ahead and see that. So initially our x value is 15. Okay, that x equals to x plus 10, because here initial x we need to find out the value. This x is going to be the value of this x plus 10 plus 5, so which is 15. 15 plus 10, here we already have the value 10 equals to 10, so we are adding this 10. 10 plus 15, we are getting 25 output. Okay, so if you change here 100, okay, and if you do this one more time, see, value is 110 because x value is 100. Okay, our x is 100, x plus 10, right? So our x value is 100. 100 plus 10 equals to 110. And also you can try some more examples like here, x into and equals to, we are setting here to 4. Okay, so why here we got 440? Here the initial x value is 110. So let's go ahead and remove this so we'll move better. So here we got our x value 400 because our initial x value is 100. Okay, here also same format we are declaring this. And also you can go ahead and try out like x plus plus, x minus minus. So let me declare this, remove this and remove this. See, here we got 101 because our initial value x is 100 and we are adding plus plus, which basically is does this x plus 1. So initially our x value is 100. So 100 plus 1 would be 101. So we are getting the x plus 1. Similarly, when you do this x minus minus, so what do you think our output will be? C99. So what does this x will be? X minus, instead of plus it is doing the minus. Okay, so our x value is 100. 100 minus 1 equals to 99. Okay, done. And let's move on to this comparison operator. So what this comparison operator does is to produce Boolean values. So let's go ahead and write some example. Console.log, and we'll write our age Lohit is greater than age max. So we'll go ahead and declare this. So this is true because our age, Lohit age is greater than max's age, which is 70. Here we have declared Lohit age written. See, this value is 70. 70 is greater than max's age, which is 41. So in this Boolean, in this comparison operator, we are getting this output as true. Basically, this comparison operator only declares the output in either true or false. So we can declare this multiple way, like less than or greater than or or equals to. So let's see this, for example. So false. So we are declaring Lohit age is less than or equals to max's age, but they are not, so it is declaring it as false. You can similarly try out like greater than or equals to. So this is true because it is. If you want, we can just you can just go ahead and declare Lohit age, which is here, right? So let's go ahead and remove this. So we are declaring here example 25, and here also 25. Okay, let's see, here we are having 25 25 same age, both of them. So here we declare greater than or equals to, both of their age is equals to same value, so we are getting here output as true. Okay, so that is it about comparison operators. And how does this JavaScript know that with math function to do the first comparison? For example, here we have declared Lohit age, right? So Lohit age, we are giving it out. For example, let's say previously this was written here, right? So let's go ahead and copy this, and instead of Lohit age, we'll declare the same value here. And here also we'll take this max's age. Okay, here our, because wait, yes, see, it is false, and we'll give less than symbol. It is true. How does this JavaScript knows with math function to do the first? Okay, see, here we have given subtraction, and here we are giving less than or equals to, and here subtraction. So this is one operator now and 1990, and this is one thing, and this is one. So how does this JavaScript knows which one to execute first and give the output? So to know about it, we'll discuss in the next video.